Dear student, today we are going to do question 3 of exercise 8.2. The statement is, show that if diagonals of a quadrilateral bisect each other at right angle, then it is a rhombus. So we are proving it a rhombus. So let's make the diagram in the shape of rhombus. So what have been given to us? It is given a quadrilateral. ABCD is a quadrilateral and its diagonal bisect each other at right angle. If I join these diagonals, like if I have AC and BD, these two diagonals I am taking. So these are, if they intersect at O, it have been given that AO is equal to OC, BO is equal to OD, and these angles, this angle AC and BD are perpendicular to each other. These all four angles are 90 degree. This have been given to us, perpendicular to each other. What we have to prove? So these are the third step we have to follow. What is the second step? To prove. What we have to prove? ABCD is a rhombus. This we have to prove. Rhombus means we have to make all sides equal. That is, AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA. These four sides we have to make equal. So it's very easy. Just pay some concentration here. We will make these two triangles congruent, which in triangle AOB and COB. Which things we have common or equal? We have AO is equal to OC. It has been given. And second thing we have this common. This side is common in both the triangles. So we can write BO is equal to BO common in both the triangle. Every time you have to give reasons. So don't forget that. And third thing, I already told you, when two diagonals intersect, they intersect each other at right angle. So this angle is 90, this angle is 90. So you can name it as 1 and 2. That will make your work easier. But don't forget to show angle 1 and 2 in diagram. So angle 1 and 2 is each equal to 90. So which rule we have got? SAS. Side angle side. So therefore by SAS rule, triangle AOB is congruent to triangle COB. So by CPCT, AB is equal to BC. So this side is equal to this. This becomes equal to this. So similarly, by making two adjacent triangle congruent every time, like if we make this BOC congruent to DOC, what will we get? BC equal to DC. And if I am going to make these two triangle congruent, what will we get? DC is equal to DA. Again, by making these two congruent, DA is equal to AB. So similarly, what we will write this. We are not going to prove it again and again. Similarly, BC is equal to CD and CD is equal to DA. Also, DA is equal to next is AB. So these four, by using these four equation, we got a result from. So or form we can write by equation 1, 2, 3 and 4. What we got? AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA. So this was our required result. Therefore ABCD is a rhombus. Hence we have proved. Thank you.